have a school bus with a no start. We got power, clearly, but when we turn the key, it doesn't start. So what do we need for a starter motor to crank? Because if we can figure that out, then we can kind of figure out why the engine is not cranking and not starting. We need three things. We need power, we need ground, and we need a signal wire to the starter. Okay, so we're at the bottom of the bus and we have the starter right here. So I have it connected to power right now. Let's go ahead and check a ground. Put this over here. Check for power. The signal wire that's up here. Hit it, Jimmy. And we got nothing. We know we have power. We know we have ground. And we're missing a signal going to the starter. Comes straight from the fuse. We have a bad starter relay, or when I looked inside, a burnt guy right there. And back.